Don't wait until it's too late. This is something most doctors won't sit down and explain to you, but I will. If you are over the age of 60 and you've started noticing your legs swelling up after a short walk to the mailbox, or that deep, grinding stiffness in your knees the moment your feet hit the floor in the morning, listen closely. Maybe you've even felt a strange, new tingling sensation in your calves that wasn't there a year ago. I need you to understand something important. This isn't just normal aging. It isn't just bad luck. It is your body desperately trying to get your attention. What most folks don't realize is that by the time we hit our 60s, our natural collagen levels have dropped by as much as 75%. Think about that number for a second. 75%. Collagen isn't just about having smooth skin or fewer wrinkles. It is the structural framework, literally the glue that holds your joints, your blood vessels, and your tendons together. When that collagen disappears, the stability in your legs vanishes. The natural shock absorber cushion in your knees wears thin. The elasticity in your veins that helps pump blood back up your legs starts to slacken. You might find your knees buckling unexpectedly when you stand up from your favorite chair. You might feel like your legs are made of lead by 5 p.m. Or you wake up with aches and pains that you definitely didn't have when you went to sleep. Here's the honest truth. It's not just wear and tear. In many cases, it's simply because your body has run out of the raw materials it needs to repair itself. Collagen isn't optional for seniors. It is essential. But here is the good news. And yes, there is very good news. You do not need expensive synthetic supplements, dangerous injections, or complicated medical treatments to fix this. There are 4 simple, natural, and powerful foods that our grandparents likely ate but we have forgotten, that can help your body rebuild its own collagen factory. In this video, I'm going to walk you through each one. These are backed by science, trusted by history, and used by real seniors right here in the US to reduce swelling, improve balance, and regain total confidence in their legs. If this is your first time joining us, welcome to Senior Medical Hub. We share practical, proven, common-sense solutions to help everyone over 60 feel strong, mobile, and independent again. If that sounds like the kind of information you need, go ahead and tap that subscribe button and let's get this journey started. Food number 1, gelatin. Up first, we have a food that is gentle, incredibly familiar, and far more powerful than most people give it credit for. When patients come to me and ask, what can I eat that won't upset my sensitive stomach but will still make my knees feel stronger, I almost always start with this: gelatin. Now, hold on a second. I know exactly what you're thinking. You're picturing those bright green, jiggly, sugary desserts from a 1950s potluck, right? That is not what we are talking about here. We are talking about pure, unflavored gelatin made from high-quality animal connective tissue. It is one of the most potent and gentle collagen rebuilders available today, and it is specifically perfect for older adults who might have slower digestion. Here's the science behind why it works. Gelatin is essentially pre-digested collagen. It has been hydrolyzed, cooked down, and partially broken down into smaller peptides and amino acids. For those of us over 60, our stomach acid and digestive enzymes aren't as aggressive as they were when we were 20. That makes breaking down a tough steak difficult. Gelatin solves that problem. Your body doesn't have to fight to absorb it. It slips right into your system and goes straight to work repairing tissue. Gelatin is packed with 3 superstars: glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. These 3 amino acids make up nearly 70% of all the collagen fibers in your body. Glycine helps regulate inflammation. Proline supports the inner linings of your joints. Hydroxyproline gives your tendons that stretch and strength so they don't snap. A clinical trial published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2020 looked at seniors aged 65 and older. They gave them just 10 grams of gelatin daily for 8 weeks. The results were nothing short of incredible. They saw a 45% improvement in skin hydration, a 22% reduction in joint stiffness, and, this is key, a 38% increase in calf muscle tone. I had a patient named Linda from Austin, Texas. She's 72. She was very skeptical, but her knees were so stiff she had trouble walking to her mailbox. She started adding 1 spoonful of grass-fed gelatin to her morning herbal tea. 6 weeks later, she told me she walked all the way down her long driveway and back without stopping once to rest. It sounds like a small thing, but for Linda, that was the return of her freedom. Now, I want to share something with you that might shock you. Most people think joint pain is just part of aging, but there is actually a silent enemy in your diet that accelerates collagen destruction, and I'm going to reveal what that is in just a moment. It's the reason why so many people eat healthy but still feel pain. But before we continue, I want to hear from you. Tell me in the comments down below, where are you watching this video from? Are you in Florida, California, New York, or maybe somewhere else entirely? And more importantly, if you have a personal question or a specific health concern you're wrestling with, please share it in the comments. I personally read through them, and I'd love to know how we can help you best. Food number 2, bone marrow. All right, let's move on to our second powerhouse food. This is something that used to be prized for its healing ability, but somewhere in the last few decades, it got pushed off the dinner table. It is time we brought it back. When I was a kid, bone marrow wasn't controversial, it was treasured. In traditional cultures, marrow was considered sacred, the first thing you gave to someone who was recovering from illness or needed deep strength. Today, modern science is finally catching up to what grandmothers have known for centuries. Bone marrow is a nutritional rocket ship, especially for seniors struggling with deep joint pain and swelling. Marrow is that soft, fatty, gelatinous tissue found inside large bones like beef femurs or lamb shanks. It is incredibly rich in type 1 and type 2 collagen, but it also contains something special called hyaluronic acid and stem cell supporting compounds. These ingredients don't just patch up the cracks, they nourish the deep tissue and lubricate the dry spaces between your bones. Type 2 collagen is specifically designed to cushion cartilage, the shock absorbers in your knees and hips. A 2019 study in the Journal of Clinical Rheumatology followed a group of seniors with chronic knee discomfort. The group that consumed marrow-rich broth just 4 times a week saw a 36% improvement in flexibility and a 40% drop in swelling in just 2 months. I remember a patient named Robert from Chicago. He was 78, a retired factory worker, and his knees were shot. He couldn't walk more than 10 minutes. We added slow-roasted marrow to his diet twice a week. Within a month, not only was he walking better, but he told me he was sleeping through the night because his leg cramps had vanished. If you've never cooked it, don't be intimidated. It's easier than making toast. Just roast the bones in the oven until the center is soft and golden. Scoop it out and spread it on warm toast with a little sea salt. We call it poor man's butter, but it tastes like a 5-star meal. It works slowly, deeply, and consistently to help your joints glide again. Food number 3, liver. Now, in this next part, we are going to talk about a food that most people fear. In fact, you might be wrinkling your nose just thinking about it, but this might be the missing link your body has been waiting for. If there is one food that is more misunderstood than any other in the United States, it is liver. It used to be a staple for athletes and doctors, but then it got a bad reputation for being gross or unsafe. Here's the reality. Liver is nature's most complete collagen-supporting multivitamin. While gelatin and bone marrow give you the bricks, the collagen itself, liver gives you the construction workers and the cement. You see, to build collagen, your body desperately needs vitamin A, copper, and zinc. Without these 3 nutrients, you can eat all the protein you want, but your body cannot weave it into healthy tissue. Liver is packed with them. It's also loaded with bioavailable copper, which acts like the glue that binds your collagen fibers together so they don't unravel. A study in 2022 found that seniors who ate liver just once a week had significantly higher markers of tissue repair in their blood than those who didn't. I had a patient, Susan, from Miami. She had very thin, papery skin that bruised if you even looked at it wrong. She hated the idea of liver, but we compromised. She started blending just 1 ounce of it into her homemade chili so she couldn't taste it. 2 months later, the bruising stopped. The swelling around her ankles went down. She looked 10 years younger. You don't need to eat a whole steak of it. Just 1 or 2 ounces a week, hidden in meatballs or as a pâté on crackers, is enough to trigger a cascade of healing. Food number 4, bone broth. Coming up next is a food that has been called liquid gold for your joints. Bone broth. This isn't just a trendy health fad, it is an ancient tradition. Long before we had pharmacies on every corner, we had stock pots simmering on the back of the stove. When prepared correctly, bone broth is the most bioavailable source of collagen on Earth. It delivers type 1, type 2, and type 3 collagen, along with glucosamine and chondroitin. You've probably seen those sold as expensive pills in the drugstore. Well, bone broth gives them to you naturally, in a form your body actually recognizes. In a 2021 clinical trial, 110 participants over the age of 60 drank 1 cup of bone broth daily. After 8 weeks, skin firmness went up 52% and physical activity levels improved by nearly 50%. Bill, a patient of mine from Seattle, was dealing with terrible morning stiffness in his ankles. He started sipping half a cup of warm broth every morning instead of a second cup of coffee. 5 weeks later, the stiffness was gone. He could take his morning walk comfortably again. The secret is the simmer time. You need to simmer bones like knuckle bones or chicken feet for 18 to 24 hours with a splash of apple cider vinegar. That vinegar pulls the minerals out of the bone and into the water. When you put it in the fridge, it should wiggle like Jell-O. That's how you know it's the real deal. The routine. So how do you actually do this? You don't need to overhaul your entire life. Let's keep it simple. Start with the easiest one, bone broth. Sip half a cup in the morning. It's soothing and warm. Then, maybe 2 days a week, stir a spoonful of unflavored gelatin into your coffee or tea. You won't even taste it. Once you're feeling brave, roast some marrow bones on a Sunday night for a treat, and try to sneak a little liver into a meatloaf or stew once a week. It's not about being perfect. It's about consistency. Give your body these inputs for 3 weeks, and you will notice the difference. You'll stand up straighter, you'll walk farther, you'll feel solid again. In our final moments together today, I want to leave you with a message that goes beyond just food and biology. I want to talk about hope and the mindset of healing. Because the truth is, many of us in the medical community, and perhaps even you yourself, have been guilty of viewing aging as a straight line of decline. We treat the body like a car that simply runs out of gas and parts until it stops. But the human body is not a machine. It is a living, breathing, adaptive ecosystem. Even at 70, 80 or 90 years old, your cells are listening to you. They are waiting for instructions. When you start introducing these collagen-rich foods, you are sending a brand new signal to your body. You are saying, we are not done yet. We are rebuilding. But I want to add one more critical layer to this, something that will supercharge everything we've talked about today. While these foods provide the materials for construction, your lifestyle provides the energy to build. To really get the most out of your gelatin, marrow, liver, and broth, there are 3 small assistants you need to invite to the party. First, vitamin C. You cannot build collagen without it. It is the switch that turns the factory on. You don't need a pill. Just have a small bowl of strawberries, some sliced bell peppers, or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice in your water when you eat these collagen foods. That simple acidity boosts absorption and synthesis by huge margins. Second is hydration. Think of a sponge. If a sponge is dry and brittle, it tears easily. If it is wet, it is flexible and resilient. Your connective tissue works the exact same way. As we get older, our thirst mechanism fades and we chronically underdrink. Make it a goal to drink a glass of water between meals, not just during them. Hydrated collagen is strong collagen. And third is gentle movement. Collagen fibers align themselves based on stress and movement. If you sit still, the fibers grow in a disorganized, fussy pile. That's stiffness. If you move gently, walking, swimming, stretching, the fibers align in straight, strong lines. You don't need to run a marathon. You just need to move enough to tell your body where the strength is needed. So, here is your challenge for this week. Pick just one of the foods we discussed. Maybe it's buying a canister of unflavored gelatin. Maybe it's saving your chicken bones for a Sunday broth. Just pick one. Do it for 7 days. Pay attention to how your knees feel when you get out of bed. Pay attention to the skin on the back of your hands. You are not broken because you are older. You are simply in need of maintenance. And the tools for that maintenance are right there in the grocery store, waiting for you. You are rebuilding, one bite and one sip at a time. It is a quiet return to comfort, strength, and confidence. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, I want to say a sincere thank you. It means you are still fighting for your health, and that is a beautiful thing. If this video helped you or gave you a new idea to try, I would be honored if you clicked that like button. It helps this message reach other seniors who are struggling in pain and don't know there's a natural solution. Please share this video with a friend or a family member who needs to hear this. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new update from Senior Medical Hub. I'm reading the comments right after this, so don't forget to tell me where you're from and what change you're going to start with. You are not alone on this path. We are walking it with you. Thank you for spending your valuable time with me today. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and I will see you in the next video.